So, welcome back. We are going to look at how to find equation of a circle where you are given 3 points. So, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step approach. Please stay tuned and watch this video. Now, before then, take some time to subscribe. Click on the notification for more updates on our lessons on WASSCE. Now, the first question, we are given these 3 points: 1, 2, -2, 3, 2, 2. What you have to do is that you have to write the general equation of a circle, and the general equation of a circle is given by s squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So after getting this equation, what you have to do is to substitute each point individually in the various equations. So let's say for the first one, which is 1, 2. Now remember, this coordinate or this point is the first value is the x and then second value is the y. So you substitute them into the equation. So for 1, which is x, is 1 squared plus the second one, which is 2 squared plus 2g1 plus 2f2 plus c is equal to 0. So from there, you have to simplify it before you move to the next point. So we have 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and then 2 times 1 is going to be 2g. 2 times 2 is 4, so 4f plus c is equal to 0. Then when you add this, you are going to get 5 plus 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Let's make the constant to be at one side. We'll have 2g plus 4f plus c is equal to -5. So this is the first equation. Now the second equation is for, let's say for the second equation, which is -2, 3. So we substitute it into the equation. You're going to have -2 all squared plus 3 all squared plus 2g times -2 plus 2f times 3 plus c is equal to 0. So this one too, you simplify. So -4 squared will give you that is 4. Then 3 squared will give you 9. Then 2 times -2 will give you -4g. And then 2 times 3 will give you 6f plus c is equal to 0. So when you add this value, you're going to have 13 minus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to 0. So minus 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13, and that will give you the second equation. Please mind you, make sure you do appropriate substitution in order to help you simplify the question easily. Now let's take for the last point, which is 2, 2. So putting it into the equation, you are going to have 2 squared plus another 2 squared plus 2g times 2 plus 2f times 2 plus c is equal to 0. And this will give you 4 plus 4 plus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Now, so let's simplify that. We have 8 plus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. And when you simplify that, you are going to get 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to negative 8. Then that is the third equation. Now after getting this, you have to look at the three equations and see which ones you can simplify. This is where most students have challenge in. So let me take equation 1 and 3 because we have some common values there. So equation 1 and 3. So for equation 1 and 3, we have the expression. Equation 1 is 2j plus 4f plus c is equal to negative 5. And then 4j plus 4f plus c is equal to negative 8. So this one we can subtract equation 3 minus equation 1, sorry. So here we only subtract 2 from 4, you get 2j, and this one will give you 0. So we have now negative 8 minus minus will be plus, so minus 8 plus 5. So 2j, so I was doing the subtraction, so 2j, when you subtract this from this, you get 2, and this one gives you 0, so 0 plus 0, and then minus 8 minus 5 will give you this value, so 2j is equal to minus 3. So our j is equal to minus 3 over 2. Now we have gotten our j. So let's look at another equation. Let's say equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is giving us 2j plus 4f plus c is equal to negative 5. And then equation 2 is minus 4j plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. So this one too, we can subtract. Let's do the subtraction and see. So let's move to this side. Move to this side. So we are now going to do the subtraction for the equation here. So we have 2j plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 5. And then minus 4j plus 6f plus c is equal to negative 13. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 3. So we have subtraction. So we are going to do the subtraction. When you subtract this from this with minus 4j minus 2j, then plus 6f minus 4f plus c minus c is equal to minus 13 minus 5. So when you subtract this, you're going to have minus 6j, right? You're going to get minus 6j for that side, and then plus 2f, then here will be 0, is equal to minus 13 plus 5. Now at this point, let's simplify this. Minus 6j plus 2f is equal to minus 8. But we remember that we're able to find the value for j, so we put the value for j into the equation. We know now j is equal to minus 3 over 2, so put it into the equation. You're going to have minus 6 times minus 3 over 2 plus 2f is equal to minus 8. So 2 can cancel 6, you get you minus 3 times minus 3 plus 2f is equal to minus 8. So 3 times 3 is minus 9 plus 2f is equal to minus 8. So 2f is equal to minus 8 plus 9. So our f is equal to, our f will give you what is our f? Our f will give you 2f is 1, and f is equal to 1 over 2. Now you've gotten all the values, so you can see that now you can put in, let's say, any of the equation. Let's say equation 1, so which is 2j plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 5. So our j is 2j, our j is 2 times minus 3 over 2 plus 4, which is our f, which is 1 over 2 plus c is equal to minus 5. So now 2 can cancel 2. We have minus 3 plus, then 2 can also cancel 4. So we have 2 plus c is equal to minus 5. And then when you add these two values, you are going to have minus 1 plus c is equal to minus 5. So c is equal to minus 5 plus 1. So our c is minus 4. So now that we've gotten the equation, you are now going to write the equation. So our equation is going to be we have 2j, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2j. Our j is what? Our j is negative 3 over 2x plus 2f. Our f is 1 over 2 plus our c, which is minus 4, and that will give is equal to 0. So we now have s squared plus y squared, 2 cancel 2, we have minus 3x plus 2 cancel 2, we have that is y minus 4, that is our iy, don't forget, minus 4 is equal to 0. And this is the general equation. Now I want you to try these two questions. The first one, the point is 3, negative 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. And the second one is negative 5, 6, 3, 2, negative 1, 3. So try your hands on this and put your answer at the notification. Have a nice day.